Welcome back. Tonight, let's journey to a quiet mountain temple where monks prepare food that nourishes both the body and the soul. Our first word means temple.
Otera, Otera.
Let's hear it in a sentence.
静かなお寺です。
Deep in the forest, the temple kitchen is filled with the soft sounds of water and steam. Here, cooking is a meditation. Our next word means vegetables.
Yasai, Yasai.
Let's hear it in a sentence.
野菜を洗います。
The monks use no meat or fish. Instead, they carefully prepare fresh roots, leaves, and tofu, treating every ingredient with deep respect. Our next word means life.
Inochi, Inochi.
Let's hear it in a sentence.
命を大切にします。
The meal is served on beautiful red lacquer trays. The colors, flavors, and textures are perfectly balanced, creating harmony on the plate. Our next word means harmony.
Chouwa, Chouwa.
Let's hear it in a sentence.
美しい調和です。
Before eating, the monks press their hands together in gratitude. They give thanks for the rain, the soil, and the hands that grew the food. Our next word means gratitude.
Kansha, Kansha.
Let's hear it in a sentence.
感謝の気持ちです。
Like a simple, warm meal. May your mind find peace and your body find rest tonight. Close your eyes and sleep well.
おやすみなさい。おやすみなさい。
Sweet dreams.